All right, so this is Global E Online, and one investor, prominent investor, just made Global E Online very popular. But before we find out, stay tuned to the end. Let's look at these charts. This is the monthly chart, and you have a drop in price. Basing candles in the rally out. What happens? Price comes back to fill those remaining unfilled orders and then pushes higher. So this is a level of interest. Let's just mark that monthly buyers at 1750. Now we got to find the monthly sellers. So we're going to look at price go up and to the left. You have a massive red extended range candle. So for me, gonna have monthly buyers in that $66 range. Let's scroll down to the weekly chart. Not a lot of volume. I do like this level here. It did work out. So you had a rally in price, basing candle rally out. Price comes back. So that would be weekly buyers. And the fact that price did not penetrate the zone more than 50% is still valid. Now let's try to find weekly sellers. Look at current price, go up and to the left. Don't really see anything. Before we analyze price action on the daily chart, let's get into who made Global E Online relevant. And it is yours truly, Cathie Wood. She snapped up 90,000 shares a couple of weeks ago. So Cathie Wood largely makes long-term bets. As we know, a dip in the stock of one of ARK's Invest identified innovators is nothing but an opportunity to boost the firm's holding in that company. Strategy on Wednesday was displayed as the firm poured roughly 2.5 million into Global E. The stock plummeted the day after the software company reported third quarter results. Amid the tumble, ARK FinTech ETF bought 90,000 shares of Global EV, boosting the fund's holding to around 1.1 million shares, valued at 31 million, with a weighted of 3.5% of the fund. Now, Global E reported revenue of 134 million for the quarter, 20% year-over-year increase, and non-GAAP gross profit of 59 million, a 36% increase from the year-ago period. The company, however, reported a net loss of 33 million for the quarter. Now, here's what they had to say. Global E says its website that the platform enables retailers and brands to increase international traffic conversion and grow sales by offering consumers in over 200 destinations worldwide a seamless, localized shopping experience. Amid announcements of expanded partnerships with brands, merchant groups, and Shopify, the company pared back its full-year revenue guidance and now expects to see between 563 million and 571 million for 2023, below its previous range of 570 million to 590 million. Still, company executives told investors on Global E's earnings call that they were expected growth to accelerate in the coming quarters due to growth in Shopify's Markets Pro and the improvement of consumer sentiment we have witnessed since late October. The results of the third quarter for 2023 once again demonstrated the robustness of their business model as evident from top-line growth, improved profitability, and healthy pipelines, what the founder and CEO had to say in a statement. All right, so all that's pretty much gibberish. Now, this is the daily chart, and you can see current price action. You have a downtrend, right? You had a double top, and then price made lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and most recently a lower low on earnings. And price was about $3 away from that top portion of the zone. Again, that would be a weekly buyer's level. Let's see how it was formed. Nice W pattern. Depending on how you would draw your W pattern, you could do that. Break of that apex. Price comes back. Ends off to the races. However, again, price is in a downtrend, and you're about to have a depth cross. That's where the 50-day moving average in red crosses over and below the 200-day moving average, which is in yellow. Your momentum moving average is also pointing down. That's the 13 in blue and the 26 in orange. So now off of the earnings, buyers stepped in. They saw price selling at a discount. Again, price was down $10+. Currently trades at 31.60. Question is, will that gap get filled? At some point it will, but again, probability says there's more downside risk. However, let's see if this level at $24, which is the weekly buys level, can hold if and when price gets down there over the subsequent weeks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.